Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And I see this a lot, and I've seen that a lot over the years when I was doing my tech duties. People that, stare at their Windows Update page when an update's happening and just can't, you know, go away, do something else while it's happening. So they look at the update and they are persuaded, they're sure that, oh, it must be stuck. It's been at, 70% for the last 10 minutes, 15 minutes. And they shut down the computer and they break Windows Update and they break tons of things in Windows. And of course, they blame Windows Update because they say, oh, the Windows Update was bad. It just blocked. It's your fault. You don't shut down your PC during a Windows update. And that is one of the things that Microsoft actually wanted to warn users. Now that we're in high gear where the Patch Tuesday security updates will be plenty, Microsoft wants to remind everyone that it might take longer to install Windows updates, and your PC might actually start more than once, two, three, four times during these updates, which is totally normal. And it might seem that it's, you know, frozen somewhere, but it's not. So that's a word that Microsoft wanted to give out because apparently the July update for many required several restarts. And people thought that, the update maybe was broken. And so this is the big problem: is stop looking at updates. You're not supposed to be in front of the screen waiting for it to finish. You let it do what it has to do, and you come back later, and it's there, and it's installed. That's it. Looking at updates is the worst thing you can do because it serves no purpose. You're wasting your time, and you will create problems of your own. So that is the warning. I've talked about Windows updates a few times in the past years of, just stop staring at that screen when it updates, because you will invent yourself a story where, oh, it must be broken when 99.9% of the time it's fine. So, I'll say it again and again. 95 plus percent of all the Windows updates failures are due to the user because of software they installed, of cleaners of all sorts, or things that the person did, or they just shut down in the middle of a Windows update because they're sure that this update was frozen. Well, it's not the case. So just a quick reminder that you go do something else. You come back later. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.